Do you know I made money making success by just watching ads? On this link that I've given on my description below, this platform, all I did was after I signed myself up, I made $50 every 5 minutes of watching just advertisements. I managed to make hundreds of dollars within a span of 24 hours. But before I tell you about this money making maverick, I want to welcome you to my channel where I show you ways of earning money successfully. Now go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos like this in the future. Now I have tried this method and let me tell you something. It helped me make passive income during my free time. My PayPal account was credited $100 in no time. This here makes us around $50 for 5 minutes. You just watch video advertisements, 5 minutes, and you get $50. All you have to do is watch ads. I'm gonna say this every time because this is how easy it is. You just watch ads, you make money. This is my money making maverick towards money making success. By merely clicking watching advertisements, you can earn ranging from like $15 to $150 on this website. Anyone from anywhere around the globe, all around the earth, can make money using this method by just clicking different advertisements. Now I can vouch for this. This is legitimate and this is scam free. You have my word for it because I have used this to make money online. Just by watching these videos, these advertisements. And remember, you watch this video, you take this step-by-step process I tell you, and you will make $1,000. So make sure to watch this video and pay a very close attention to it. Now, again, I've got the link under the description with regards to this platform. You can make money by playing different games or completing different offers, referring to friends, engaging in surveys or contests, and among other activities. But the sole focus of this video is on visiting websites and clicking on different advertisements. So it has around 40,000 users. And hey, you can even look into it and they will be very open about all their profits. You can view profits on the daily basis or on the weekly basis. Plus they tell you, like they show names of different users who have withdrawn in the past 25 days. So you can see who was the last person who withdrew from this platform. They've got a variety of different methods to pay you, and you can choose between like Paytm, Skrill, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency. I mean, they're available worldwide, and they've got different methods of paying. So first things first, you will need to sign up. So go ahead, click on the link given below under the description. Next, go ahead and register yourself. Now remember, you need to have a valid email address and write down your name, add a username, and remember, have a good password. I emphasize on this that you must have a good password, otherwise people can steal away your money. So have a good password. Now next thing you need to do is agree to the terms and conditions, and of course click on the I'm not a robot and register yourself. Of course we're not a robot, but we still gotta prove that point, don't we? Anyways, after you're done with that and you register yourself, go ahead and log in. When you log in, this is the first thing that you're going to see. It is the leaderboard. The leaderboard showing you different individuals from different parts of the world making hundreds of dollars using this platform. Right, So now that you have registered your account, and when you log in to your account, you will see a variety of ads with the banners displaying the ones that are the most popular. When we get to the right section, all of these banner ads will be there for you. For what? So you can go ahead, click them, watch them, and earn. Repeatedly click, watch, just keep doing that. And remember, you don't actually need something special. You have a laptop at home, or you got a sort of an old desktop computer, just want to turn it on, use it. You got a smartphone with you. You can have anything, you can use it, even a tablet, that will do. All you have to do is go onto this platform, earn by clicking any of the banner ads. Once you click it, it will take you to a random site. But what? The banner. Now remember this and make sure that you remain there for a period of time, like at least 30 seconds. Don't worry, you don't need to click anywhere else or register to these sites, nothing of that sort. Just remain there. Browse the link. Browse the site. Because if you do not browse the site, you won't get paid. Just browse, look around, no need to do anything else. If you won't, they would assume you are a robot and you won't get anything. They won't pay you squat. Once you're done with one banner, go to the next and keep repeating the process. So I'm going to repeat this whole thing just to summarize it, that you have to go onto the link that I've given below in the description and head over to the platform. Once you have signed up using your email address, by adding your correct details, head over to your account, click on the banners to earn. Browse through the website, look around, make sure not to stick to one place because they won't pay you if they think that you're a robot. Now, between this whole summary, don't you think it's easy? Browsing through, clicking different ad banners and making money out of each one of them. All you have to be is patient. Just when the banner ad is clicked and you scroll around, just be patient for the time, and then once you're done watching, go repeat the process, make more money. Now here's a little thing that you must know. This is an additional idea. Go ahead and complete 5 daily fixed ads and watch them for 10 seconds. That will make you some extra cash. After 5 daily fixed ads, you will unlock the standard ads. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like, a comment, any suggestions if you have, or any questions. We welcome them. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you don't miss out in the future if I upload more videos. This is it from my channel, and I will see you next time.